All right, I have some tilapia that I'm going to be making for my breakfast this week. Putting on some Lowry's garlic salt on there. So I'm going to put a little bit of that on there. I'm going to put some cayenne pepper, and it's just a Great Value brand. A little bit on there, a little bit of heat, a little bit of salt, some salt and pepper. Keep that down. And I mixed some lemon, some butter, and some garlic in there. Kind of hard to do one-handed. I don't know how all these world famous chefs do it, but I'm gonna try to put a little bit of drizzle on all of these. Hopefully it'll cook in there. I found a recipe that said 425 for about 10 to 15 minutes. These are pretty thin slices here, so I don't know that I'll have to do that much on there. So let me take this and I'll kind of pour more of it on there. Make sure it's also going to be sitting in it. Oh, it's got a lot. One of these guys was really small, so lots of garlic on there. All right, and I'm going to cook that for, I guess, probably 10 minutes and kind of see what it is, and probably have this for breakfast this week. So, all right, well, I'll show you the finished product in a little bit. All right, I'm getting a butter glaze to get ready for our tilapia. I use some Kerrygo pure Irish butter. About 3 tablespoons or so. Got some minced garlic and some lemon, and I already put it in there and kind of mixed it up on there and already dumped it. Kind of shot this out of order. I should have showed that beforehand. So, but that's what it is. Just 3 simple ingredients: lemon, garlic, and butter. Been putting fish on that for as long as anybody knows, and it's delicious. All right, been in there about 10 minutes or so. Looking good, looking good. If I can get past the dogs without tripping and killing myself. There it is. Smells amazing. So I'll do a little taste test, and then you'll see it for breakfast this week, or whenever I post this video. Get up there close. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna do a little taste test here. I think that I'm gonna no, it's good. I thought I would need to add a little bit of lemon, but I think it's good. So that was not too terrible. About 15 minutes and I was ready to be eating fish. So do a little meal prepping, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, well, and that's it. I got 3 meals, got some fish done. We actually got these, and they actually say meal prep on them, which is cool. I don't think I knew that. So, all right, well, this is what I'll have for breakfast. And I don't know what I'll do to make it change where it's not the same meal video. Maybe I'll eat one this way and one this way, and or try maybe get a sauce. I might do a sauce. They don't have a ton of flavor, so we may do that. So, well, that's meal prepping for the week. I'm gonna put this video together and post it today, and then have everyone criticize my editing skills.